Although back injuries are the most common reported injuries anywhere, they are also one of the most preventable. Almost everyone can admit to either lifting a load that was too heavy or to lifting an item improperly. Our guideline for the maximum weight to be lifted by one person is 40 pounds. This is equivalent to a box of brake shoes or a 5-gallon jug of water. Objects that exceed this weight need to either be moved by using an aid like a hand truck or be lifted with the help of an additional person or persons. Before lifting any object of questionable weight, you must follow these steps. The first step is size up the load. Analyze its shape and position. Is the load too large or awkward to be moved or lifted alone? Second, you must test the load. You can do this by moving the object with your foot or hand to gain a better sense of how large of a load you are dealing with. Once you have established you can handle the load, you must then decide on the route you will take. Check for any problems or obstacles such as a slippery or cluttered floor. Also, check out the place where you will set down the load so you can anticipate any difficulties. Now we come to the lift. Get as close as you can to the load. Place your feet about shoulder width apart, straddling the load if possible. Tuck in your pelvis and bend your knees. You can also perform a modified lift, placing one knee down. Remember not to bend at your waist or extend your upper body. These movements put a strain on your back. Let your legs do the work. Use your strong leg thigh muscles to lift, rather than your weaker back. Don't twist your body. If you have to turn, move your feet instead of your trunk. Make sure you can see over your load and then move carefully to your destination. On those loads that are too heavy to handle alone, don't be a hero. Get the assistance of a coworker. It is important to exercise the same proper lifting techniques on these loads as well. Also, when moving heavy loads, it is easier on your back to push the load rather than pulling the load. Lifting heavy loads is common in the shop and office. The techniques to prevent back injuries in both of these environments are the same.